Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. Got some new equipment for the Motovlog channel. So let's roll that intro and we'll get right into it. Alright, I'm sure many of you have seen a bunch of cool footage on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So, my birthday's coming up and the lady wanted to get me something really nice that I can use on the regular. She ended up getting me a GoPro Max. This thing is incredible. It's got so much power to it and I can do so much with it. So I want to go over a little bit what it came with first. It came with this case. Nice little case to store it so I can put it in my saddlebags when I'm not using it. It also came with one battery and a charging cable, as well as a little bag to put it. And as you notice, the lenses are covered to protect them. So in this bag, you got the little indentation sticking out. It comes with things to protect the lens, which is fantastic. And if you ever get one or you already have one, storing them inside the bag will increase the longevity of it. So I highly recommend it. But of course I need accessories. With just that I can't motovlog with it. So I already had this thing right here. So I connect this to my handlebars. There's another ball mount. It's already bolted to my bike. So right after this clip, I'll show you how I set it up. Also, I got an Insta360. So it's kind of like a selfie stick. It extends so I can capture even more dynamic angles on my bike. Also, what I needed to purchase was another GoPro battery. I got one more that's name brand. I got the 3 battery charger, and that came with 3 more batteries. I can't get everything name brand because this stuff is very expensive. And I really think it's worth it. So I'll have all the links of everything I have down in the description. So if you guys are interested in getting it, feel free to click the link and order. And also if you are interested in learning more about the GoPro Max or what accessories I'm using in the future and whatnot, please post in the comments and I will get more videos on it. I'll even do videos on how to edit with the cell phone on the app or on the computer. I plan on using both. Also, I had to buy a memory card, of course. So I ended up going with the Team Group. I use these memory cards for all my GoPros and my cameras. These things are great. Very good price point. And it's 256 gigs, and I think I spent maybe 40 bucks on it. Not bad at all. Also, I got some new parts in for the camera, so I wanted to get these on footage too. So I got one of these, so I could hook the GoPro in. It is metal, as well as one of this setup right here, and a red one. So like I said, this equipment is pricey, so I want it to be metal, so that way it's guaranteed to stay and not fall off. So these things look legit. Alright, this is look 1 with the selfie stick. Oh, this Insta360 stick, the link will be in the description, but I can raise it as high as I need. I've taken it 90 miles an hour and this thing stays pretty good. So the setup I use is this ball. I just have it mounted to the bars. Then I have this right here to connect the selfie stick. It extends. We got the selfie stick right here. To make it shorter, I'm going to take this off right here. So just loosen the bottom up. Then take the top. And just simply attach it right here. And now I can add it to the ball. And there's look number 2. So what I like about the previous look with it longer is it's great for when you're riding with somebody else. So you can get both of you in the shot real easy. And when I'm riding alone, I like to do it just like this. And here's another look. It sits plenty above the fairing. And then I get a full good 360 view. Alright, this video, we're not gonna try to make a masterpiece motovlog here. I'm just trying to show what I'm gonna be using with my GoPro Max, which is a 360 camera. You can see I'm pulling off to the side because I just stripped out my shift lever. I think the bolt came loose. And the reason why I keep filming here is because it kind of could show a different angle on the camera. So with this 800 plus pound Road King, I'm so glad I'm a big dude so I can push it around because I have a little hill right here. And of course, Metro always being prepared, he had tools on him. So I really like how I can get a different angle. So I keep filming, simply angle the camera down to, or the footage down to see what's on the bike. One of the downsides to the bike is this is where I learned I have less hair on top of my head. Kind of sad. My hair used to be my favorite feature when I was younger, and now at least I got a beard. Now we're leaving Harley, getting ready to tear up the streets on the way home. I'm really digging how you can pan the footage to wherever you want to see it for the most part. So it looks really cool having Metro right up beside me. Now the camera's moving forward. The video quality is pretty good. It's only 1080. I wish it was a 4K, but hey, it's a 360 camera. I got plenty of 4K cameras, and this is only one camera. I'm able to do the whole entire Motovlog with just one camera. Normally I ride with two. So a GoPro on my helmet and a GoPro on my bike, on my handlebars facing me. I can get those views.
This type of road scares the shit out of me. Can you imagine sliding on it? No. No. Especially when the on-ramps and the exits were all like this for a while. On the 5.
Yeah, fuck that.
That was when I had the sport bike. So it was even more scary for me. Like this, I'm one with this bike. Any of my sport bikes? No.
Are you glad you sit still, Road King?
I am so glad.
Right?
You're the worst and best influence right there. That should be on the video.
I'm sure you got from the conversation, Metro was a big influence on the reason why I went with the Road King. He's got a 2019 Harley Davidson Road King. He absolutely loves the bike and kind of inspired me to get my Road King. I don't have the same taste as him. He likes the classic look. He likes the stuff on his seats and whatnot, and I like to keep mine dark, edgy, and very simple. I've known Metro since 2004.
Oh, this is the correct lane?
Yeah.
We were stationed on our first
So
ship
not
together in
this right,
USS
but the next
Ogden.
one. I need to fix my
So
shifter.
we were Liberty buddies, which means when you get hit a cool port like Thailand or something, and you go out to explore and whatnot, you got to be with somebody, and he's a guy I trust to always have my back, and we always went out together. Funny story, we went to Alaska and we all decided to go fishing, and he's very intimidated with trying new foods and whatnot, and we grilled a salmon on a fire pit at a campground, and I kind of bullied it into trying it. He's like, no. Long story short, he tried it and he loved it, and he's been eating fish ever since. But it was really entertaining to see somebody who grew up in the city like he did and never try anything like that. Also, you may be wondering why I call him Metro. It's not because of metrosexual or anything like that. He is a bus driver for the county called Metro, and we kind of just ran with that nickname, and it's stuck ever since. We haven't even been at a club for over a year, and everyone's still calling him Metro. And the footage here is great. I love how clean it looks. It's not 4K quality. It's only a 1080 camera, but it's still really nice. I got 4K cameras, and I love how I can just pan around like this. This is just one camera, folks. This is insane. The only thing I really don't like about it is the editing time is doubled at least, because you gotta pan the camera around to where you want it. So you're editing multiple times, and then you put in your program, and then you gotta edit, clip, and everything. So it can be pretty daunting, but the quality is just worth it. You notice Metro's riding behind me here. It's because he's got a CDL and I like the speed. So now I'm slowing down, and he's getting right beside me. We're going about 80 miles an hour. Riding peg to peg. Definitely one of the few guys on the planet I trust riding peg to peg anytime, any day. Really great dude. He's also on Crypto and Coffee in the Morning, a YouTube channel that me and him both host about cryptocurrency. So feel free to head over there and check it out. So I hope you guys all like the GoPro Max as much as I do. This thing is incredible. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.